Welcome to CodeSpace, myself Yugayu, and this is an introduction video to the upcoming playlist of arrays, right? So yes, CodeSpace is here with the one-stop solution for the arrays, right? In this particular playlist, you will get 40 video lectures and that too absolutely free. आपको इस 40 वीडियो लेक्चर्स का वॉक थ्रू देने के लिए you have 14 easy problems going slightly tougher, then followed by 14 medium level problems and then the ultimate 12 hard problems. अगर आप इस playlist को if you view this playlist on the daily basis and after completing this playlist you will be confident with the arrays, right? You will be able to get the intuition of the algorithms you have to build. See, arrays is the part, arrays is taught to someone जो बिल्कुल नया होता है in the case of data structures and algorithms, right? So arrays is the best part to start your coding journey, to start DSA, to start learning more about the language, to start experimenting with the language, right? So this playlist is just the right spot if you are beginning your journey or if you are here to revise the topics, both, right? I hope to see you soon on the next videos on the upcoming playlist. Stay tuned. अगर सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस नहीं किया हो so please press the subscribe button, please press the bell icon so that you never miss an update, and stay tuned with the code space. Thank you, have a nice day.